In this video, we'll understand what is the software required to start our Java development. We use a software called JDK, which is called as Java Development Kit, which is part of your Java SE in order to start your Java development.
Hey, thanks for watching our content so far. If you're new to Training Mark, we're the fastest growing technology training company and create content to help freshers like you to master the disruptive technologies like full stack development, AML, cloud, DevOps, etc. If you like the content so far, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon not to miss any new content from us. Like and share this video with all your friends. Let's build your career and the community together.
Now let us see how to install the JDK in our machines. So JDK comes with different versions. So JDK, the first version is introduced in 1995. Till then, there are a lot of versions came in. Java 19 is the latest version as of today, but Java 17 is the LTS version which is released from the Oracle. So LTS stands for long-term support, which means this is stable and will be remain constant for several years and will also get long-term support from the vendor. And companies prefer using LTS versions of the softwares over the latest versions. So that's why we're using Java 17, which is the latest LTS version from Oracle. Let's see how do we download and install JDK in our machines. To download JDK 17, go to Google and type JDK 17 download for Windows. Since we're using Windows in this video, we search JDK 17 download for Windows and select the first URL, which is Java SE 17 archive downloads. Java is available for 3 different operating systems. The first one is Linux, second is Mac, and third one is Windows. Since we're using Windows in this video, we will select this Windows x64 installer using this link. The moment you click on this link, it will ask you for download. Choose your place where you want to download the software and save. Once it finished downloading, just open the software and right click and just click on Run as Administrator. So this will ask you for a permission, just click on Yes. Then it will start installing this. So it will open the wizard, a welcome to the installation wizard, just click on Next. And by default, Java in Windows will be installed to C program files. Java, it by default creates a folder called JDK 17.0.5. And if you want to change, you can change, but we don't recommend. So you just left this path, C program files, Java JDK 17. Just click on Next. Then it will start installing or copying the files. So once the installation is done, just click on Close. That's it. JDK 17 installation is quite simple. Now, if you want to confirm the installation, just go to C drive and program files, select Java, and you'll see a folder called JDK 17.0.5. If you open that, it creates some folders called bin, config, and some other files. So we'll see what are these files in our further videos, but this can ensure that your JDK is successfully installed. But if you want to check whether the installation is 100% complete or not, how do you ensure that JDK is installed? To do that, we open the command prompt and then click on Run as Administrator and click on Yes and just type Java version. So this lists out what is the Java version which is installed in your machine. But if you see that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, then you have to configure your Java explicitly. So how do you configure your Java explicitly? To configure Java, just right click on your PC and go to Properties and select Advanced System Settings and select Environment Variables. So this opens the user variables and as well as the system variables. Just select the system variable path and click on Edit. So this will list out all the environment variables which are available or which are already set in your machine. You can see that there is C program files Java JDK 17.0.5.bin is already set. If this is not set in your machine, just simply click on New and go to the C till bin. You copy the path and come to the properties and add this as an entry. Just click on OK. So this way you will configure your JDK successfully in Windows machine. Just click on OK and go to your command prompt and restart your command prompt and enter Java - version again. So where you can see what is the installed version in your JDK. So this is the way you can install JDK 17 in Windows machine.